In this video, we will demonstrate how to save a window card or DL as a PDF. Please make sure you are using or have a Google Chrome browser installed. When on the template page, right-click on your mouse and select Print or Ctrl-P. To save as a PDF, you will need to click on the Change button in Destination. Now select Save as PDF. After selection, you will need to set your required print settings for your PDF. To see all the settings, click More Settings. Now you can start your adjustments. For example, if your brochure is A4 landscape, then select Landscape and A4 in paper size. If your printer supports borderless printing, you can select None in the Margins option. You can also alter your scale number to your requirements if needed. Once you are done, select Save, and that's it.